Solar panels. Solar panels are devices that convert light into electricity. A solar panel is a collection of solar cells. Lots of solar cells spread over a large area can work together to provide enough power to be useful. The more light that hits a cell, the more electricity it produces. Cost. It depends on three main factors. Depends on type, polycrystalline or monocrystalline, how many cells you need, and how many watts you need. Monocrystalline is made from a single large crystal, which is the most effective, but it's also the most expensive, and it is much better in low light conditions. Polycrystalline is many blocks of silicon glued together, which gives it the little crystalline look there. This is the most common right now due to the cost. It is slightly less efficient than a single crystal, but once in a frame of 30 or 6 more cells, the actual difference in watts per square foot is not much. One person's beauty is another person's eyesore. For some, solar panels evoke positive feelings, even when set in a natural landscape. For others, the sight of a solar panel invading a pristine desert environment is gut-wrenching. It is largely a matter of opinion. However, they also require large amounts of land to produce electricity on a commercial scale. However, the EPA is also looking into potential impacts on natural habitats out west. This solar farm is built in the Arizona desert, consists of 100 or so acres. Solar panels may contain hazardous materials that can be released when a panel is damaged or disposed of improperly. Concentrating solar systems also use potentially hazardous materials such as oils and molten salts, creating potential for spills. To manufacture 1 ton of polysilicon, 4 tons of liquid waste are produced. If this waste is exposed to humid air, it can transform into various acids and poisonous gases. Positive effects include putting solar panels on contaminated land and mine sites where no one else can inhabit. It uses renewable energy from the sun, and it will lower your electric bill. The uses of solar panels are generally supplies electricity to a building, and any other daytime excess can be sold back into the grid. It can actually make your meter spin backwards. How is it removed? Well, easy. The sun constantly comes up every day, so the sun hits the panel and it constantly generates electricity. How is the energy from solar panels stored? It's generally stored in batteries. This here is a picture of a small solar cell system in someone's garage. It's a 1-panel system. You can see the inverter connected to the batteries. It's relatively simple and it does not take up much space. Right now, most solar power is generated in wide empty areas like deserts and fields. However, the next up and coming is on residential housing. The second is city buildings. And then third, integrated small-scale installations like solar street lamps, which we happen to have some in Muncie. A couple reasons why you don't see solar panels used. Number 1, cosmetic looks. Some people don't like the look of them. They actually think they devalue the value of your house. However, solar panels actually increase the value of your house. Cost. It costs a few $100s just for a panel, but then it can cost up to a couple thousand for a full system installation. Size. Generally, it takes a lot of solar panels, to get the energy you need to power your house.